Example 5. A particle is projected from the ground with an initial speed of v at an angle theta with horizontal. The average velocity of the particle between its point of projection and highest point of trajectory is. Let us see. If a projectile is projected like this with a velocity u or v, since they given v, at an angle theta, we need to calculate average velocity, v average. V average is nothing but total displacement by total time. Between what and what? Between the point of projection, let it be O, to highest point, let it be P. That means the displacement of the projectile is actually this much. So we need to calculate this displacement, and we know that this point is h max, and this would be half of the range. Therefore, displacement is equal to, the magnitude of displacement is equal to under root of h max square plus r by 2 square. And what about time? Time is nothing but time of ascent, because the total time taken by the projectile to reach the highest point is nothing but time of ascent. Time of ascent is nothing but u sine theta by g. Okay, so let us substitute these two values in the V average. For that, first let us calculate the displacement. So displacement is equal to h max. We know that h max is equal to u square sine square theta by 2g, and range is equal to u square 2 sine theta cos theta by g. So let us substitute here. H max square, that is nothing but u power 4 sine power 4 theta by 4g square plus r is r by 2 whole square, so which is nothing but u power 4 sine square theta cos square theta by 4g square. So displacement is equal to, let us take u power 4 sine square theta by 4g square common. Therefore here sine square theta plus 4 cos square theta will be there. Therefore displacement is equal to u power 4 sine square theta by 4g square comes out, that will be u square sine theta by 2g, and under root sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta plus 4 cos square theta will be 1 plus 3 cos square theta. So this is what the displacement, and we know the time. So let us substitute average velocity. So average velocity is equal to displacement by time, which is nothing but u square sine theta by 2g into under root of 1 plus 3 cos square theta by u sine theta by g, because time is u sine theta by g. U square get cancelled, sine theta get cancelled, g get cancelled. Therefore average velocity is equal to u by 2 1 plus 3 cos square theta. This will be the average velocity of the projectile when the projectile reaches to the maximum point or highest point.